Welcome to Chief House, Four-Legged Freedom. So here I am. It's a beautiful day today. Yes, the weekend, it was raining and it was a little cold as well. But today, Tuesday, it's beautiful. Right, Silent? Oh yeah, no more mud. Yep. The dirt is dry, so the ground is dry. So here they are. Here's Stripe. Here's a Cookie. There's a Spotty over there, relaxing in the dirt. Oh yes. I'm even over here catching some sun. All right, that's Cookie. It's loving their life, having a good time. Just finished cleaning up their backside. Gotta pick up all the poo-poo. That's what I do every day. I clean up, make sure they're in a clean area so they could run and they don't step on it. Those are the kennels. Mostly Silent goes in there. Okay, he likes to eat all the food, or he don't like to share. Right, Silent? You don't like to share? Yeah, this is the group that lives out here that protects the backside. Yeah. And they're living their happy life. I'm gonna give them food pretty soon. Well, thank you for watching. Like I always mention on my videos, subscribe, share the video, so the whole world could see these lovely dogs and family, because they are family. They keep me entertained. They give me unconditional love. They love to play. They keep the backyard always full of fun stuff. I come out here and play with them. They're running around. Since I was a little kid, I have always loved animals. So I was raised like around chickens, pigeons, birds, pigs, ducks, dogs, birds. Yep. All right. Well, thank you for watching. These beautiful dogs. All the likes and comments are for them. I'm just the person that is recording their life. All right. Take care. Chief House, Four-Legged Freedom, out.